Akwaba, of course, and obey victorious. Enti me base ara me be mausika. Tamuchuku obey victorious. And ne eya oda obey victorious. The same you want to no. The patcho star 281 hash select Adom TV. Nebisa will be a bisa sahina odi tosoro. Na o chere me say 50, 100, 200, 300, 400. Na odi guswedi. It's strategic. 15, 10, 10, 20, 15. Oh, na kesa wo system ne money adia na what me discard ya go boto mo patcho ayesika osika yesi try the Franco Trading Enterprise and affish to the Malta Guinness sponsors and opaya am come ho media good even some media brewo Bernard Padi bo twa me producer Kejwana Kasani Eric Asiedu body now Ebasha sentem na ye di afina Black Queens asamba ba yes if you say Black Queens scored bronze ewo the WAFCON he ba no no sembe brina na efifiri mo ba panifo kasa ane adia the president of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and a day Boschers from Kon Atofom. As schools be Ghana, ye ba be selected. Na ya share sports development and ibe ko specially. Sana be bit me on the talents. Abomabo board to me kaya niema be brave. Our Ghana sports money at me. Aqua banfo man so akwa GFA.
Catch talents from all over the country and catch them young and bring them into training, so that we are able to build formidable teams, not only in the area of soccer, but in the area of boxing, in the area of athletics, and all the other sports disciplines. Ghana has always been a great nation when it comes to sports, and we want to recapture that glory from the period of our first president. But we can't do that without infrastructure. And so as part of the Big Push program, we've agreed that all the regions that don't have stadia will build modern sports stadia. We also are going to equip some of the schools around the country as sports schools. And so for those schools, we'll give them all the infrastructure they need, running tracks, you know, all the kit for hockey, javelin, all the athletics, shot puts, everything, football pitches, and all that, so that we'll take the best talents from the different schools and assemble them in those schools so that they can train and study at the same time and build their talents to join the senior.
And on His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and the two about the kind of Ghana Football Association where my memra and the president the Ketia Sokreku on the executive council up a courtesy call or the Youth Unemployment Agency officer the chief executive officer Malik Basintale and when the choir meeting more share say you bet to me explore the opportunity say you bet to me create or a numa football moi na meeting no very very fruitful here to be papa betimi afimu aba yenkopiem ho ne ehwe de ketokeko de tuja
Ghana Football Association penipa odano ene ne mpanimfo etu anamon endro ekwekwehia penipa oda Youth Employment Agency ano Malik Basintale na ni nane se omo hwekwanya omo beka bom se de be ya mebu na wo oman Ghana mu ebenye edwuma aye na nhyiemu no ase no wenu ensema Ket Edwin mo kreku a ohwe bobo so Ghana ha editu dwa.
We work with boys and girls who belong to that youth age category, at least from 0 to 35, for which reason there would always be a point of alignment, whether in refereeing, in coaching, in administration, etc., etc. Just like your good selves, we also provide employment for the youth of our country. So clearly, there is a lot of synergy, potential synergy between our good selves and the YEA. I think that I'm very excited about the opportunity to dialogue and to explore and to see how best together we can impact on the youth of our country.
Enu echino Malik Basintale ono ye chief executive officer edima YEA enso echirechire ni nsemo.
We must create jobs where they are needed, and so we must always look out for things that are well needed in our country, the type of jobs that are needed in our country, and then we create such opportunities for young people out here in our country. And one of those places of high interest is the sporting fraternity, whether you like it or not. At YEA, we have a work abroad team. And the last time we made a few comments, some people misconstrued it and all of that. Whether you like it or not, we have FIFA agents. I have an agent here at YEA as we speak, but the person has no support to even go out there and explore opportunities. At YEA, one of my staff who wrote the exam has passed as a FIFA agent at YEA. But the person, he came to my office and he said, oh, I'm now a FIFA agent. Then I asked him, okay, so what next? He said, we have to look for support. And if we don't support such a person, it means that he'll be holding his license, but he'll be seated in the room because he can't even go out there to explore opportunities. So the YEA thought it wise to collaborate with some of these FIFA agents, give them the needed support they need, allow them to go out there and explore available opportunities. Then we can get our people to go and play the trials. If they pass, they slip into it. If they don't, then it means that it's not our fault again, because you don't expect Mr. President to go and play the justify for you. He can create the opportunity for you, he can create the avenue for you. And then you go and justify your inclusion. If you don't justify it, then you are out.
I don't need your course or YEA. Akache. Star 281 has selected Adom TV. Me Chelsea Kadia go bottom enti tamuchuku kra. Yes, it bisawa now the kakre gumu. Me draw and check kra ni ajaria. Now, enra me team with the chair. Say be basso ampa basso the Chiefs Palace, me can the Kings Palace. Ewo Kumasi man shiasa na make in Koroko. Edi amo trophy no ako. Na no Toyota Cup omo je na ma edi akọ chopim so. So pim so ye kokusi wa na mu. Ya akọ je abetu enu je say de be chew. Yen komanhia
MTN FA Cup no krobia asante koroko ejiye nwechi no omo eji President Cup no kwakura eno omo wiewie kura ewo South Africa wa bro omo kwachi Kaizer Chiefs eji Toyota Cup no edifru omo ensem endro yi Kumasi asante koroko edi modi mo bo no ekopiem ewo tumwura enim eye opimso tumfo ose tutu a otoso mienu na bro omo ekoye no na FA pa timwura ekasa ebo tim na abaso sanso enana na pinkra mprempren chiri aboabo makotoko etumpon ekasaye
na no dey ba ya dey Africa versus Europe person ko ji ni about it and zero about it in share no ba no ni and that one was so the farm go to the na ya ba so a dey pananza the kuma say the family you to Adom and also
Etina ede elmanshia. Me pa cho sike si twanedi enti anopetwa na di bi na so ye pensere. Twanedi kakra na so ye pensere. Now, ye mfi oni akopie mu onsan foforo mu the ongoing African School Games. Yes. Me can go and get go so course Algeria, Ghana eti mu pa in basketball, badminton, boxing, table tennis ni ade anya easy. Medals ahodro ana ye jeje. Ye kopie mu hwede ye koso e Algeria.
African School Games 2025 for no air koso ewo oman Algeria mu wei eye ebibrem ha school fo a omo ya ade ewo agriculture hudo mu wo ho ko Algeria oman Ghana ye mmode bo so ani ye sa wo ko badminton mu a team relay event no Ghana ya je bronze table tennis boys singles eye emema no ankrankra de no eno so ya tam bronze baako basketball 3x3 Ghana ya je bronze baako sanso ene be kutukubo eye boxing boys emema no so light flyweight no Ghana yaji aye bronze no baako nti se wokani na bomu dia African School Games no yaji aye medals no miensa ye hwe na di enim di ebefirimu aba African School Games 2025 for no air koso ewo oman Algeria mu wei eye ebibrem ha school fo a omo ya ade ewo agriculture hudo mu wo ho ko Algeria oman Ghana ye mmode bo so ani ye sa wo ko badminton mu a team relay event no Ghana ya je bronze table tennis boys singles eye emema no ankrankra de no eno so ya tam bronze baako basketball 3x3 Ghana ya je bronze baako sanso ene be kutukubo eye boxing boys emema no so light flyweight no Ghana yaji aye bronze no baako nti se wokani na bomu dia African School Games no yaji aye medals no miensa ye hwe na di enim di ebefirimu aba African School Games
Akwaba live on Adom TV. Star 281 hash select Adom TV. Menchoska. Mencho 1,000 Ghana cedis in Nanope. Ati enyeja honso fa ho agim na ya pensere this kekakra. Anopa bia 50 Monday. Mama uska na so ba ko county. Obo Star 281 hash. Maybe say here now dey call and platforms are hodo no nyina ba select Adom TV. O select Adom TV. Maybe say here na eritwa o se meritwa dem mara meritwa say. Now the kakra gum. So, I say 10, 20, 30, 40 now. ODB Gumwa, you stand a chance of winning 1,000 Ghana cedis. And I pay 2 draws. It's the first one in the Kosovo trap now. We're lucky there. Not one so what now. Ukopimo Olympic Games, Ukopimo African Games, Ukopimo games YEA across the world. Ubi had in the game back. I bet here did not call Ebimuyadi or hockey mu, Ebimuyadi or badminton mu, Ebimuyadi or sky mu, Ebi jumping. Just say no matter. So one fast growing sport in Ghana. So in no time, about that level. Drafts, dummy. Now, I can't tell me a seven no can say, and yes, the born fiction now, it is professional. In the league, Ghana, and specifically Accra. I'm a random so crime, Adom TV, the new show, bro, your friend, dummy. And the champion power, the whole of Ghana. I mean, can say, and Pennyfour, one more day anymore, Accra. One more year break, a second beer, so almost share easy. And organizer, Mr. Charles K. Watson, I be coming one day, about what is happening. Oh, my catch, Mr. Watson, Quaba. Yeah, be a queen. You're the radiasi. I didn't cross all my catch. Share me, organization, if anything.
But a Greater Accra Draft Association.
Greater Accra Draft Association.
But I mean, both Greater Accra National.
Okay. As an organizer?
Yes.
Wow. I didn't AC.
You say you do games in the cycle from December.
From now to December?
Yeah, you ball league in you see, I will game be a Greater Accra friend
Onapo.
A and B. You see, I two A and B Navy. You see, another game where I got coming Saturday. From there, we call National A competition. I will Buchi.
Ah, now it's a more league.
Your league, yeah.
Ah, once you say we be share, you are ready
or top for the league to cry a shaman they first.
Okay, to moya no any individual but moya no
say
area.
No, area. Say club. We be register club. To register, let's say assume so I register my circle and joy Kukumimre. We better Kukumimre. Me bra so better my be odoko and see sanity.
Club.
Yeah, club.
And but league na we one how many
but a shaman for Nigeria.
Wow. But how long na moya league?
Oh, so we try to cry from 8 to 9 years.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
No sponsorship, but I'm paying for no a young campus money. Yeah.
And it is good, sir. Ne Adom TV be with the dead so here. The young would the no ever. Don't say the end about Onapo. Yeah.
And not where we say Greater Accra, your place be Obudom Kotuma other regions.
Okay.
Obutuma Greater Accra, and we don't know. So be a musica would say the Faka better league in your man. You do not put inside your man, any fire for fire on now. Okay. Wow. I know the original league in a Monday. The price very nice.
I would.
Yeah, I would.
Wow.
Yeah, they scam them. I almost say, yeah, whatever. Man, say no beer to that. Penny for lawyer for doctor for to before we break.
Wow. So now put a basso in.
To last week, I was Buchi. This year, I caught them.
Okay.
And we are open for all. And you say open for all, you not be black club. Okay. Ghana in place.
Clubs and the place.
No. Until Obana was able to come in Saturday. From there, the next week Saturday, there are two the National A and the Ghana National A. Elbuchi.
Until the Abasu, we can hear time.
But by now, also be or
very new.
But I want them come to 12.
To my community 12 specifically.
Tennis court.
Tennis court.
Yeah.
Wow. Pacho, and yes, I'm Ketwa. And yes, I grow. You see, they are professional.
Oh, yes.
Yes, what do you mean now? Now, Adom TV show, I did, but damn, me, just a more count part.
Oh, yes, you can't find it. You say, Yena, a twinkle baby, we are seeing now. You say, Namia, see a call you, yes, and the damness, no, I'm saying to be follow. Okay, but only the clubs now, and I bend. Normally, no say, Adam Pazzi, I register the whole Ghana, your place, now, and so be big cabas. Now, be so maybe no be in Bo, I wouldn't Bo, so be pay club, I'll pay, we run with sir. and now person who be so between Babucha and now to be Sir Large Ibrahim. One of a great Accra chairman.
Because you are not sure you can damn show about Adom TV.
Yeah.
Near claps harder than they good. Then now obey no bad shame. Now we got made who saw made my test.
Oh, sir, and they'll buy beer if you're
much
if you're parliament to that. If you ever say, oh, if you wouldn't know, if you're not and then the battle. You say beer or you are the post. In a quite we are identified. It's not the club man. I'm the class here. And
it's most much trip players.
Oh, yes, you're trip players.
Who say we good and what another club?
Top players are Casa.
Wow. But number we pension will be an idea, but number be waiting, my friend.
A number
say we or per se or back club will name how about it. Once all cast will be to my register or be
but it's semi organizer and I give me the number.
Oh, sure, born
0247
0247
57 60 22.
Sambobium
0247
57 60 22. Wow. Mr. Charles Watson get asked son of a buyer. Best side is Uncle Moebium. It's in my catch or damn Basso live on Adom TV and a great attacker for Suli Gomo Borneo now poor and banning fire on here. Nala, I didn't know. Bamu Champwa, say, boy,
we discipline. We say first now. If you be new, but say the year rough for you.
In Champwa.
Baby, wait to me, it is in the power, but some poor part of that.
Go meet you up for Champwa.
They were suspended.
What's with Tico? No,
your phone crash for about 10, 15 years.
Okay, right. I'm saying, so I know I want answer more. Damn, button live on Adom TV. Mr. Watson outside in Kano. Channel Swami, star 281 hash. Select Adom TV. Me Mosca 1,000 Sanamako. Me chow 1,000 and Sani Fisati is wako. It ejina haya, Sani ejina haya, Sa ejina aye hekwan biaso say bit me aboard mana bi biaso etimakwe. It's on our screen to see ano ebina air host. They say no bibia. This is it. Me dia kotwama abrofo. Omo dia no mo e, omo say chess, no more 2 years ya, no more 2 years. Ye dia ne papa. Chibroni no atwa no agona nim. Ati ase. Mama chose can see star 281 hash Adom TV and raso. It is time to make money. It is time to make money. This is it. Yanko, yenum musisia, sanse bi, adiken etwebi. Mayenum kakra. Wow, yenum soon 5 4 3 2 1. Who wins it? Why not DSC can pa 1,000 boom. La 024 049 0 something 024 049 0 something 1,000. And so me frost is here since what the 1,000 Ghana cedis at the go bottom 1,000 Ghana cedis. Ha la. Wow, now your fresh and it's Franco Trading Enterprise. My more Franco number now here bibia what friend tem say it's our plans ni phones na body or Franco ne papa mu no so na wo 024 642 2338 024 642 2338 and at 055 593 9311. About Malta Guinness also can one opinion they buy Malta Guinness. No matter the occasion, Malta Guinness got you covered. Malta Guinness can one pay yen samono at the bread. What? I was there, me freeway no na me Kyle. As on the last day of the month of August. Yengina yeshia. Was 30 days of September, April, June, and November, all the rest of 31, except February and August 31. It's 31st August. Yengina yeshia was the forecourt of multimedia. Na starting nantiano. Aye, Asempa FM walk with the stars. Asempa FM walk with the stars. Every star is coming. Every star is coming. Yeah, bedu. Okay, mama jadi. Oh, so okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Nana, congratulations.
Thank you.
Hey, now what you saying?
200 and share.
200.
Okay.
And what is saying?
1,000 a buy.
Wow. Now, the first time I would be near.
I try.
Now, the first time I would be.
I try.
Hey, first time I would be. And what did this ano? Wow.
I've been playing for a long time.
And I maybe say,
First time of winning, yeah.
Wow. Now, who's saying thing?
I'm in here already.
What's your radio so?
That's right.
How is that? Okay. Okay. Be a multi TV as well. Right, but and I bet to me your plans and saying, ja, and your thousand your plans be you,
The way you can't do that, let's go for money back.
Matthias. Yep. Now, also we're here. Okay, that's fine. I'm a salmon. And as I say, Adom TV now TN so bibia fine. You better another draw and they want who strategy the winning the year. Why? Now next one so wait me send 1,000 at the go button. Why? Right, okay. Sika is trying to catch the wa enya as an akra ne ade a. E pa cho meko na the akaswa toa so aba. For number ya sana mako 020 we are footballer t 0203 watch roll 826-968 0203-826-968 me pa cho double soccer academy Kumasi justify ne baso from 16 years to 20 years where dia ye justify ewo eye Kumasi atonsu astrotef ehona double soccer academy eba enti fahojim yes opportunity na aba no ni boy 16 to 20 years fahojim justify matonsu astrotef on the 2nd of August about Saturday anopa enti fahojim 9 a.m. na yashase watonsu astrotef and CEO of double soccer academy yes double Samuel Double fantastic morning going out to you, brother. We'll budge my pa 16 to 20, just the final air So, sir, you imagine us ready to see a Malta Guinness and a Franco traded enterprise. I'm okay, one of paying that. Yadi Bibia at the Ebro live on Adom TV. Paddy Butri, I am a producer. Kejuan Kasani Erica Sidu Bodi Sabre, Mr. Fiaman Quatama Club, my health tips. Here na Yanadiaka Twaso and Nesisto. Why ready at the Ahosepe, but the show is packed because I have